Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share vitamin C and fiber rich recipe which is super tasty and very easy to prepare, and this recipe you can serve in breakfast or lunch. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notification bells. So to make this aloo gobi paratha, we are going to use potatoes. I have boiled two medium-sized potatoes and mashed it. Now to this I'm going to add 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage. This is a very good source of vitamin C and fiber. Along with that we are going to add 1/4 cup of chopped coriander and green chilies as per your taste, and about 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and some chili flakes and salt as per your taste. Very few ingredients and it's very tasty. So mix everything well, and we are going to let this stuffing rest aside until we prepare the dough for the outer layer. So for the dough we are going to take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and then half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix flour and oil and salt, and we are going to knead the dough like a soft dough, just like roti. So here I'm going to knead the dough with my hands and until it is nice and smooth, and I'm going to drizzle some oil and let it rest for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes our dough is ready, and we are going to divide it into small portion and roll it into a flat roti. So use some loose flour, and then we are going to roll it not very thin and not very thick, just like this. And then we are going to take our stuffing and lay it in the center and spread it evenly. I'm going to shape it into a square shape. You can also shape it into a triangle shape, just like you see it on the screen. And this is very easy way to make paratha. So just like this, now I'm going to press it, and with a very gentle hand I'm going to roll this. So here our paratha is ready. Now let's cook it. Cook on the medium flame until it is nicely golden on both sides, and then you can spread some oil or butter and cook it evenly from both sides, just like so. And this is extremely easy recipe, and you can serve this in the breakfast or lunch, and it is very healthy. So here our paratha is ready. Now let's serve this. You can serve this with chutney, pickle, or even masala chai. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.